Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about a must-have device for your home security, the light bulb security camera. This wireless outdoor and indoor security camera is equipped with 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity, 360 panoramic camera, motion detection, and two-way audio. One of the best things about this camera is how easy it is to install. No extra steps are needed, simply install it using a normal E27 bulb base and connect it to your router. Within minutes, you'll have the camera set up and ready to use. The HD 1080p color night vision and pan tilt feature ensure that you have a clear vision at any time of day. With a 355 pan and 85 tilt range, you can achieve a 360-degree view through the app without any blind spots. The motion detection and real-time alerts make sure that you are notified of any potential danger, and the two-way audio and app control allow you to talk and listen via the camera. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa. If you want to ensure the safety of your home and loved ones, this light bulb security camera is the perfect choice. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing device and take the first step towards a more secure home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on home security products. Thanks for watching.